Harlan, you got something to say about this Wawa?
There is no smoothies.
And just like that, we're back with a road trip, going from the New York metropolitan area all the way to the woods of Virginia.
Hey, kids. Wait, can I see all the heads? Is that Jason in the back? This is Jaden, Kamal, and there's Harlany. We're on our road trip to Virginia. As you can see, we have a lot in the car. Well, maybe you can only see the one thing in the front here, the table.
I'm just chilling.
We're all very cozy on this beautiful ride that we are only an hour in.
And we cannot afford. And we cannot afford.
We can't afford?
No.
We can afford this trip.
We got a rent. This is a rent.
Oh. I mean, that doesn't mean you can't afford it. We can afford the rental.
Oh yeah, that is true.
Otherwise, we wouldn't be in it.
And then we wouldn't be in it. Jason said we should have flew. He doesn't like road trips. But I mean, considering he has a table and he's squished by a bunch of stuff, I can see why. We're gonna stop in Delaware, DC, and then last stop Virginia. I got birthday cake. This is my birthday. Actually, technically, me and Jason's birthday weekend.
Woo! It's also Easter weekend, so it's the weekend of the Lord.
And on that note, I'm gonna continue this drive. There we go. Jason, you want us to hold something for you?
I could put it there.
This is how Jason gets in the car.
First, take a step. Bring myself up. And
You good? Let me get your quesadilla. Why is this not going back? I think
don't ask me if this is comfortable.
like technical difficulties. I think something's in the way. The table is definitely slanted.
Yeah.
There you go. You good?
Yeah. Don't ask me if this is comfortable.
This is what?
Don't ask me if this is comfortable.
We got our Wawa, and now we're ready for our next 2 hours to
Tell them I'm
DC.
very disappointed in this Delaware Wawa.
Harlan, you got something to say about this Wawa?
There is no smoothies.
No smoothies as she wants at this Wawa.
What the hell is fresh cream smoothie?
Yeah, no Wawas without no smoothies.
There's no Wawas without any smoothies.
Oh yeah, but hold on, I don't like smoothies.
Forget the hoagies.
Forget the coffee.
Forget the coffee. The smoothies.
I know that. What's going on here?
We're here.
Whoa! Hello, Milk Bar. Hello. Hello.
All right, got our milk bar. Hey, and now one more hour. You guys ready? What happened, Kamal?
The best fried chicken in possibly the world.
In the world.
Has a franchise location not too far from here. But this place is so good and they sell so much that it's only open 3 days a week. And today
Goodness.
is not one of those days.
Okay.
Pain.
Today?
Maybe we'll do Korean fried chicken.
Korean fried chicken
It's next to the Gus's.
is on the way. It's open. We can get some cheeseling. Not the greatest fried chicken in the world, but pretty damn good. Let's be real.
All right, so 1 hour, and then this is the home stretch.
This is the home stretch.
This is the home stretch, people. How we feeling?
Feeling good.
Feeling
Feeling
good.
I'm about to make this cookie disappear in my mouth.
My the way. I'm Selena, and this is my husband Kamal, and this is The City and Beyond, where we like to teach and inspire full-time employees to be the best part-time travelers. If you're enjoying this content, make sure you like it and share it with a friend.
Very nice.
Surprise! Happy birthday! Imagine.
Here's our home for the next few days. Wow. Is this our room? No. Yes.
I'm gonna let Harlani and the kids in.
And so the birthday festivities began. But first, here's a house tour.
This is the closet.
This is the bedroom.
Master bed. King.
King bed.
King.
Look at the decor. Loving it. And that. Oh, wait. And a washer and dryer. That's what's up.
She's sleeping.
Are you gonna jump some rope?
We have a game room here. Monopoly.
So we have an hour wait. So if you do go to this place, it is busy apparently.
Always.
Always, I guess. I don't know. But we're gonna go to the supermarket. We're gonna go to the supermarket first and then come back. We put our name down and stuff, so hopefully it's worth it. You're half eating burgers. Actually, your burgers are probably the most like appetizing thing.
At like 8 o'clock every day, I'm like, so this sounds good for lunch.
His monster. So what did we think about Mason Dixon Cafe?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up?
10 out of 10.
It was good?
I mean, it was decent, but like.
Wait, who said 10 out of 10?
Okay, so I'll change my thing. I'll give it 8.5.
8.5.
Because the food was good. It's just that the wait.
I give
I don't
it
even
like
think
a
I see it.
solid.
Yeah.
Solid what?
Solid. 8.7.
8.7, okay.
I mean, I was pleasantly surprised because I was a little skeptical based on the reviews. You know, lack of flavor and whatever, but it was actually it was decent. Okay.
It was okay.
I'm going to give it an 8, right? And my reasoning was it was a wee bit bland. The mimosas, however,
Mimosas
were good.
I think we can all agree. I think the
Mimosas were
grand,
on point.
the mimosa, wait no, the grand mosa that me and
grand
Harlani
mosa.
had, I'm gonna say was better than the main mosa. We're handling a couple of things before we head back to
old
the
man.
house.
You're just making my life difficult.
And then we're going to chill and have our barbecue later this afternoon, waiting for more of our guests, but we'll be enjoying our house.
Special guest.
Special guests. Oh, okay. Hey man, this fire.
I have created fire.
So now, no. You need to roast the marshmallow. We can take this out while I can take it out while you're roasting it. But we're gonna see if this works. All right, so put that in, but you don't put it in the fire. You put it above the fire.
Yeah.
All right. I've never really been into s'mores. I just feel like they're fun to make.
Never tasted them?
But I don't think I've ever had an interest in eating them. I just wanted to roast marshmallows, and I used to give my marshmallow away to people who like loved it. So there's that. Instead of Hershey's chocolate, we are going to be using
Because my mom.
cookie butter.
My mom
And
can't eat chocolate.
yeah, Harlani gave up chocolate for Lent. So, but I'm not really big on chocolate either. So I thought cookie butter would be like a cool change.
I don't think this is doing anything.
Because you're not close. You have to do it on top of the fire. Yeah. Okay. Now,
You want me to taste that first?
I feel like you'll have the most honest opinion. Taste it. Take it away.
Okay, my first try. Alright, let me go to.
A bite that's not black. Yo, your face, bro. I'm gonna try it.
The cracker takes most of the taste away. It's really not that bad. It's not that bad.
Score.
I'm gonna get it a rating out of like 10. A solid 6.9.
Oh! High five. We did a good job.
Yeah,
Testing.
for our first try.
This is test kitchen. Test grilling. I don't know. Here's the barn, one of the barns, the sheds. I feel like Bumblebee was
Hashtag not sponsored by Kellogg's.
Look at this big turkey. I don't even know if you can see it. It's right here. Turkey. Big turkey. This is what dreams are made of. Watching animals.
This is Selena, the simple life.
Selena, the simple. I even have the trucker hat.
Yeah.
After almost being attacked by one of the roosters, we went back to the house, did a little karaoke, maybe took a couple of naps. Meanwhile, I set up a beautiful birthday dinner to appreciate all my friends. I mean, my family.
Okay, so the battery is dying. Good morning. It's the morning, our last morning here, and I have to say, it's been a pretty good birthday. I feel like if this was 10 years ago, I would have had a little bit of a fit because things didn't turn out the way that I wanted. But it actually, I expected for things to not work out exactly how I thought it would. And honestly, that is the beauty of getting older. You kind of let the little things go. This is something social. It's not business. Just relax and let whatever happen, happen. So that's my message to you. If it's your birthday, happy birthday. And Fredricksburg is pretty cool. It's really quiet. Well, in the area that we decided to stay in. And definitely go out and explore. Really loved the winery brewery place. I will definitely go out there again. Maybe stay a little closer to like the more populated parts of Fredricksburg. Like this video if you like it. Subscribe and click the notification bell, and we'll see you next week. Bye.